Good evening and welcome to Bedtime with Badger. So we've got some Suffolk Graduate, which is a Calvors brewery. Oh, promise I've not had one already. Now, Andrew very kindly sent me a box of these and they came direct from the brewery. So they included some beer mats. So I've got beer mats on my tables now. Cheers. That's very nice. So what's been going on? Well, since we spoke last, I had my Plain and Thickness review up because lots of people are interested in getting one of those, and my Tall Totes video. So hopefully you saw that, and tomorrow is going to be the giveaway. So tune in at midday tomorrow for your chance to win if you're interested. Last week I spoke about this little sander I got and saying the only problem with it was the stupid dust collection thing that's not a standard port. So some people commented and even provided me the links to getting an adapter, which they charge stupid money for. A little bit of plastic, but now I can just plug my vac in and that works really great. So thank you very much for that suggestion. So what have I been working on this week? Well, I bought a bandsaw at a car boot sale 7-8 months ago now, and I shouldn't have bought it because I knew I was moving, and why do I want to move with another machine? Anyway, yeah, it was a bit rusty, the table, and nearly had some bits missing. So I finally got it out this week and gave it a clean up and ordered a new blade and a few other bits for it. And then I went to put it back all together today. I've been filming this, and the tyres on the wheels were in a bit of a state, and when on closer inspection, there's a few splits in them, and like, they really need changing. And while I've got it in bits, that's the time to do it. But could I find a supplier in the UK? I can't believe it. You can basically get them for kitty and record power machines, and that's about it. And I know they're probably standardised wheels, but I didn't want to risk it. So it's an Axminster labelled machine, but actually it's a rebadged Jet. So on eBay, you can definitely get them from the US, but I think probably going to have to wait over a week for them, and then I'm going to get hit with a customs charge, but at least I know they're going to be the correct ones. So that was going to be coming out next week, this video, getting this bandsaw up and running, but I think it's going to be a week after that. So not actually that much to tell you this week. So thank you for the beer, Andrew. That's lovely. And thank you very much, everyone, for subscribing and watching. Can't believe we hit 10,000. And tune in tomorrow and enter for a chance to win if you want one of my totes. Cheers, everyone.